Madam Key, the only thing I have to tell is this. Go carry my blessing already.
Unne na video on yafu our able general, our gentle, ko nekene our sister, ni form Mary. Go ju agba video, we post to gasia ife o receive na kande na support the struggle. So me play the video kon nene then unejirikwa anya onu we gba nkiri because now our men on ground look active 24/7. And eventually ikwukwa in this post for ndị na-abịa na my comment section na-eje na tag Nigerian police or Nigerian army. Oga ka ngwa gị, in this country anybody nwere the right to support onye soro support. You understand? Na mbịa na support Biafra emi nuhu na mu asịrị gị support wa Biafra. Inwe ike hate Biafra does not concern me. You understand? So and they join the struggle. Now force ngwa ke ba into the struggle. I love Biafra. I love Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I love IPOB. I love ESN. So go onye na be na my comment section na tag him as the efoko chegumi he tag no mama he tag me my comment section a drop or a tag Nigerian police in my comment section. Be warned, go onye na eme that kind thing. Be warned, because na egburu isi nti esorie anya esorikwu we na kwuo ka anyị na aka we na support nwanne anyị nwoke a wo Mazi Gentle the Yahoo n'ọrụ ọma dị ngozi ọ na-arụ n'ala Igbo.
Mommy, although the Guaragala quite like us, you are can now for the young lady, the other lady in Kakakumalaka. Then on Kana for Linkadima Mumu, I can't swear Messiana. Or we can check on. I can't swear me. Come we can check off, man. Then after all this 200,000 for a Lego, and then made using why I work a quarter hand. And when I make my video, couldn't wear one by one. I don't have much to tell Madam Key. Madam Key, the only thing I have to tell is this. Go carry my blessing already. And they will definitely continuously be blessing you. The blessing what I don't know for our kindness towards the men on ground. I'm not easy. I'm not easy. I'm asking you to shake. And we stood the gap and we stand on the ground. And we are promising you people that we must protect the motherland to all costs. We will keep all this video because of tomorrow. I believe Makandela I could push it. Kandekoga rubbish. Because of Kandekoga rubbish. This one is another set one. They go and video it for you people to see. Yes, on here, the reason of keeping this video, Makatumuro, nigga, video cover rubbish.